Hi, my name is Jacob. I'm a student at JTech, and today we are going to be testing headlights. The vehicle we're going to be performing a test on today is a 2000 Toyota Camry. You're going to want to verify that your headlamps work by turning them on and off. And here we have the wiring diagram for the headlight circuit. I'm going to be testing the right high beam, so the red and white wire and the red and black wire. Alright, so the next thing we're going to test is the high beam fuse, which is this 15 amp fuse right here. I'm going to take our test light, ground it, and we're going to check and see if it has power. Alright, now that we've made sure that the fuse has power, I'm going to remove it from the fuse block. I'm going to visually inspect it. After you visually inspect it, you're going to take your digital multimeter, set it to ohms, connect your leads to both sides of the fuse, and check the resistance of it.
Yep.
Alright, so now we're going to test the headlight relay. To do so, you're going to use your digital multimeter and set it to ohms. I'm going to take this lead, connect it to the 30 pin. This lead here, connected to the 87 pin. As you can see, it's reading OL, which is out of limit. Then you're going to take this pin, connect it to 86, 85. Then you're going to come over here, connect it to the battery, and as you can see, it has continuity now. The next thing we're going to test on the relay is the resistance of the coil side, which is pins 85 and 86. So we have our ohm meter on. And as you can see, it has a very high resistance. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove the bulb from the harness. Then you're going to take your test light, ground it, and you're going to test your harness to see if it's getting power. So you're going to test the power side of it. Alright, so after you've made sure that there's power going to the harness, you're going to grab your digital multimeter, set it to voltage. You're going to take your red lead, put it on the power side of the harness. And you're going to ground the black lead and see what voltage is going through the harness. After you check the power side, you're going to want to check the ground side. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your bulb, visually inspect it. After you've visually inspected the bulb, you're going to want to set your digital multimeter to ohms, connect it to both pins inside the bulb, and check your resistance. Right. After you've done your test, you're going to want to reinstall the bulb into the harness. Then you're going to want to put it back in the headlight where it goes.